Hey guys, today I'm reacting to the first episode of the new anime Chainsaw Man. Before we jump into this episode, please feel free to check out my Patreon. There you can find the full and uncut reaction to this episode, as well as other shows. It really helps me out a lot and helps me to keep making videos with you guys, and I really do appreciate the support. But yeah, finally, here we are, Chainsaw Man. I've really been looking forward to this. I've been really hyped about this one. I don't really have too much of a concept of the idea of this show, and I'm pretty excited about that. All I was told was to wear this shirt, and I'm basing most of my hype off of the trailers, which I really loved, and I really love the atmosphere and the aesthetic of them. And I can tell that I'm really gonna like the vibe, I hope, of this one. But yeah, here we are, Chainsaw Man. I'm just really excited, I'm really hyped, and I just can't wait to watch this first episode. Honestly, there's nothing more to say, and let's just jump straight into this first episode. I have absolutely no idea what to expect. Oh, this already looks amazing. So ominous already. Oof. Damn. Wow. What? He's selling off his body parts? Jeez.
Pochita, わかってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。悪魔を一体殺せば。
Oh, I love that first person. What is that? We're jumping right into it. Oh man. I love this music. This vibe. What the fuck is that? Oh, the opening. Alright, that was really chaotic. I don't even know how to put that, express that, or put that into words. Okay. I liked it. Good start. Who's this guy? Okay, so... Jeez. Oh, it's not even his debt? It's his father's debt? Okay, so he hunts devils. And his little pet there is also a devil? Why do I feel like he's gonna do it? Yeah. Damn, that's kind of sad. He really is desperate. I like his personality though. He seems very like chipper, upbeat. Yeah. Okay. I like his pet. It's like a chainsaw dog. I'd be so nervous laying next to that. How young is he? Well, he just got younger. I'm assuming that's him. That's so fucked that the debt goes straight to his son, who seems to be a child. This is how they meet? Ooh. Wow. This kid's got a good heart. But I don't know, that's kind of freaky. Oh, he's making a deal with it. Okay, we're already hitting like depressing beginnings.
デビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか?
Okay, so in this world it's called devil hunters, and they hunt devils. Starting to get a little more of the premise. I find that thing kind of adorable.
女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだいいだろ
I like him. He feels very real. Ooh. That's not good. That's not a good sign. So far I love this vibe. It feels very real, for like lack of better. Why does that place look like looks like the place from the trailer? Is this a trap or something? I do want to see more of these devils because that first one was interesting. And we got Pochita, which is... Yeah, this is a trap or something. Oh! Oh! You stabbed through both of them? Oh, fuck! Oh god. Holy shit. Oh fuck. We're already starting off pretty heavy here for a first episode. Ah. Oh, jeez. Fuck. God, this is sad. What? Okay. Where do we go from here? Oh, they literally put him in the trash. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's healing by drinking his blood? I love this like relationship between these two. Oh. Oh. I really like this guy. Is this how he becomes a chainsaw man? From Pochita? Oh. Oh. Yeah. How does this work? Oh shit, it can talk! What? Oh. Okay, so you can make deals with the devils, which ironically makes sense. Oh. So are they like one now? Like you said, he takes his body? Oh my god, I love this music already. I have a feeling this is about to get epic. Oh hell yes, come on.
ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。
Wow, we're hitting some deep territory here already.
そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。
Yeah.
じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど邪魔すんなら。
Oh, so he pulls the cord of a chainsaw? That's how he... Oh. Well... That didn't go according to plan. Fuck. Oh, I hear it. Yeah, I hear it. Oh shit. Fuck yes. Oh god. What a terrifying... Shit. Okay. Fuck, he's the chainsaw man. So he's a devil now? Okay, there's gonna be a lot of dismemberment on this show. I can tell you that right now. With a character like Chainsaw Man. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, this looks good. Oh, look at that. If you kill him, you kill them all. Oh! Damn. Is that, can you just kill devils just like that? Oh, he's gonna have to kill them all. Yeah. He's using his head. Jesus, this is brutal. Oh, there's that man. He took the form of that guy. That was nice to touch. Okay. Fuck. Okay, well, I wonder what this does to his sanity. Well, this building was pretty significant to the trailer now. And who's this? Yeah, I remember that. Damn. Oh. Let me guess, these are other devil hunters. Oh, look at that. I love that, like, aesthetic. Let me guess, he gets recruited. That's one of his dreams. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, that's how it fades.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるの。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
I like her.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Aww. Oh, he's got his body parts back too.
餌ってサラダ、コーヒー。
Why does this scene just feel so like,
デザート
I don't know,
かな。
like beautiful.
最高じゃないっすか。
I love that interaction. Oh, okay. Mappa. Damn, I really like that ending song there. Wow, okay. I mean, as far as first episodes go, I really enjoyed that. Yeah, I think I'm really gonna like this show. So far, the whole atmosphere and the vibe of this show is definitely something up my alley. So I mean, that's a good start. We got clued in on quite a bit in this episode. We got a lot. Like, we even got like his kind of like a more or less a good amount of the concept of the whole, you know, his whole chainsaw man, like the whole devil case behind it. Okay, so that's interesting. So he made a deal with Pochita, and that's how he became the chainsaw man. So you can make deals with these devils, and okay, so there's devil hunters, and that's what he was slightly before this, and now it seems like he's gonna get recruited by some type of like devil hunting organization is what I'm thinking with her. But another thing is that interaction at the end there between him and her. I can already tell the show is going to be very, very good when it comes to the characters and like the interacting between them, because that was a really beautiful scene there, and it feels very real. I think that's a good term to use for the show so far. At least the vibe I got was it just feels very real. Like even the animation feels very real. So the animation was incredible. I enjoyed the music a lot too. The main character so far, like I'm really enjoying his character. He's got that sense of like a good heart, and I can tell he's already going to be like a really good person. But I'm excited to see like what he struggles with, because after that, this being the first episode and seeing how this all like escalates, I mean, holy shit. Like we're starting off hot here, like pretty quickly. And so he's in a debt from his father, and he still has a debt to pay, which is interesting. I wonder what that was for or how that expands. Obviously, we're probably going to see that in the future. I just really love that concept that he made a deal with the dog, the Pochita, or Pochita, however you pronounce it. I just really love the idea that he made a deal with Pochita, and now he's like part of him. Like they're like almost as one. And when he pulls the cord, like I love that. Like that's his transformation. Like he pulls the cord like a chainsaw out of his chest. And goddamn, his look is amazing in my opinion. I love it. And the action sequences there, like the fighting, the animation behind that, holy shit, that was good. It was hype as hell. Like I cannot wait to see more of that. And it was a good first like little enemy, like a zombie devil, I guess. Like that's the opening villain that he gets to fight, and I mean he took it down pretty good for his first like all out battle there. And it's very depressing first episode too. Like I can tell there's going to be some depressing elements to this, but I can also tell, especially based off that last conversation, there's going to be a lot of wholesomeness to this show too. I guess my first thought right now is I just want more lore. Like I can't wait to delve into the lore of this, like the lore behind the devils, the ones who hunt them, just basically everything, like the deals you can make with them. I want to see more of them. Who's going to be like the primary antagonist of this season or show? I don't know. Maybe it's a long one, maybe it's a short season one, who knows really, because we got a lot of information this episode, but I can tell there's just going to be so much more to learn. And another thing, especially based off of the opening, I can't wait to meet more of these characters, because so far based on his character alone, I really like the writing behind him, and her too, and we only got a little snippet of her, but I can tell from the opening that their relationship is going to be possibly a very good one. I can't say good, but I can say that I liked what I saw in the opening, so I'm excited to see more people be involved so I can see the relationships between the two. Because I mean the biggest relationship we got this episode was Denji and Pochita's, so I mean just based on their relationship alone, I can tell I'm really gonna like that down the line of the interaction between more characters. So I think that's what I'm most excited for. I mean, honestly, I'm excited for a lot of things right now, because that was, as far as first episodes go, and as far as the show's aesthetic and theme goes, I'm excited and I'm hyped, and I cannot wait to see more. Like, I honestly really, really like that, and I don't know. I'm just very, very eager to see more of this. But yeah, overall, I really like that. Again, can't wait to see more. Hope you guys enjoy this reaction with me. Still much more to learn. I'm really loving this character. Big highlight is just the overall vibe I got from this episode. Like I can almost already tell that I'm gonna like this series a lot. And overall, I'm just really hyped to see more. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this first episode with me. Can't wait to see more with you guys, and I'll see you guys for the next episode of Chainsaw Man. Have a good one, guys.